Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Axis Bank credit card. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in axisbank.com and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official Axis Bank website. Now from the homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner and then within personal and business, click on your appropriate login portal. You will then be taken into the login page from which you can log into your Axis account. Just enter your login or your customer ID number within the ID box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the drop down menu underneath and then choose credit cards and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your credit card account right away. Once you are logged in, you will find the option to cancel your credit card from within the credit card page. If you don't find this option, click on support at the top section and then at the right side you will see the chat with us as well as the call us button. You can use whichever one of these mediums that you prefer and you can simply tell the support team that you wish to cancel your credit card. Once you let them know that you want to cancel, you will be provided the instructions that you can follow in order to cancel your card. Once you follow these steps, your card will be cancelled. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to cancel your credit card on Axis Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.